Hello everyone, welcome to the Dr. Olubengadetun's YouTube channel. How can you make money on Quora? How can you make money on Quora? Quora doesn't have a direct monetization program for users. Quora doesn't have a direct monetization program for users similar to platforms like YouTube or Patreon. However, there are direct or indirect ways you can leverage Quora to potentially make money or promote your brand. Number one is you can build authority on Quora. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche by consistently providing high quality informative answers. These can lead to opportunities such as speaking engagements, consulting, or writing gigs. Number two, promote your blog or website. Include links to your blog or website in your Quora profile and relevant answers. If your site generates a revenue through ads, products, or services, increased traffic from Quora can indirectly contribute to your earnings. Number three is affiliate marketing. If you are part of an affiliate marketing program, you can include affiliate links in your answers when relevant. Be transparent about your affiliations and focus on providing valuable information. Number four, offer freelance services. If you have a skill or service to offer, such as graphic design, writing, or consulting, mention it in your profile or when appropriate in your answers. Quora can serve as a platform to attract potential clients. Number five, promote ebooks or courses. If you've authored ebooks or online courses, mention them when relevant. Ensure that your promotion is subtle and adds value to the user's query. Number six way you can make money from Quora is to connect with influencers. Engage with influencers and thought leaders in your industry. Meaningful connections can lead to collaborations, joint ventures, or other opportunities. Number seven is to build an email list. Offer valuable content in exchange for users subscribing to your email list. Once you have a list, you can promote products, services, or affiliate links through email marketing. Then you can also use Quora ads. That is number eight. Quora has an advertising platform that allows you to create and run ads. While this involves spending money rather than making it directly, it can be a way to promote your products, services, or affiliate links to a targeted audience. Remember to adhere to Quora guidelines and community standards. Spammy or overly promotional behavior may lead to account suspension. Focus on providing genuine value to the Quora community, and any promotional activities should be done in a way that complements your helpful contributions. This is some ways by which you can make money on Quora. I am Dr. Olubengadetun and your host on this YouTube channel. There's a proverb that says, "He that knows and knows that he knows, follow him." The choice today is yours on what to do with this information. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have subscribed, share the link of this video. If you have shared the link of this video, like this video. If you have loved this video already, go ahead and drop your comment and question in the comment section below. Let's go and watch this video that is popping up right now. It is the next you need to see. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.